it's Alana here. Today's video is focused specifically on winter, and this video will be the first winter themed video on my channel for 2018. I have some good ones coming, so don't worry, but I know a lot of times when summer comes around, we have a really cute summer clothes that we love and really wish that we could wear during winter time because we either just love them that much or we don't want to go out and buy a completely different wardrobe just for winter time, or we just, you know, don't have enough ways of styling our clothes for winter. So today I'm going to be showing y'all 3 different ways that you can style your summer pieces for winter outfits, and this will help so much. And these outfits I really love, and with winter you can get really experimental with some pieces, so that's why I'm excited to show you guys this video. But before we get started, give this video a big fat thumbs up. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So the first summer piece that we are going to be making into a winter outfit is dresses. Now I know personally I find it really hard to wear dresses in the winter time because first off, it's way too cold for that, and second, I get cold super easily, and third, I'm just not a winter person. I do not like cold weather, but I have found a solution for me to wear dresses in winter time. So if you're like me, I got you, don't worry. So what I did is I took this really cute fitted black and white polka dot dress with spaghetti straps, and I know spaghetti straps screams summer, but let me show you what I did to make it into a winter outfit. So what I did is I just layered underneath it this pale pink long sleeve shirt that I actually was wearing already, so I decided to style it underneath. And what I really liked is how the dress has a very straight neckline, so that way it makes the neckline on my pink long sleeve pop out more, because the neckline on my long sleeve is actually a bit of a turtleneck and it's got really cute like frilly touches to it. And this shirt is also a sweater type of material, so that way the sweater material brings in that winter feeling and looks more of a winter outfit as well. So if you still feel a bit cold in this outfit, you very easily can then go and pair a jacket with this, which will look very cute as well. But this way you are so much warmer than you would have been, you know, just wearing the dress, and now this actually works as a winter outfit. So of course my technique with that outfit was to specifically layer underneath, but you can also layer on top as well if you choose to do the jacket with it. For my second technique, what I did is I took a summer top. You know, summer also screams crop tops as well, and I wear so many crop tops during summer, but this one that I chose is this checkered pattern crop top one, and it's got some skinny straps on it as well, and it's got a cute V neckline. So what I'm doing for this outfit is I am once again layering underneath my main piece because I want my summer piece to stand out, but I of course need to be warm at the same time. So I took a thick sweater and I layered it underneath that top, and I actually think this looked really cute. And then what you can do, as I did here, is I tucked in my sweater for this outfit, so that way it once again doesn't look really baggy and doesn't make my checkered top look frumpy or weird. So that's what I did for that outfit. I just love how the summer piece, my checkered tank top, is still the main focus of that outfit. Lastly, my last outfit is about layering on top more so. My main summer piece for this one was this beige light brown fitted like type of turtleneck top, and it was sleeveless. So this is actually a bodysuit. I know bodysuits are really common in summertime too, but of course since this top doesn't even have sleeves and it is pretty thin and of course isn't going to keep me warm, what I like to do oftentimes is I will layer multiple type of jackets on top. So my first layer was this more so kind of like really casual gray like hoodie type of zip-up jacket, and then on top of that, to make it look a little bit more fancy, I layered on top of that one my white bomber jacket. And I love how you can see the gray hoodie peeking out from the jacket, and if you want you can even pull out the sleeves from the gray zip up to poke out from underneath your white bomber to just add extra touches to the outfit and to pull the gray back into that outfit as well. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have some fun with experimenting with layering specifically. I think that is really big and important when it comes to having good winter outfits, and when you can really like change up the combinations you do, you can come up with some really cute outfits. So let me know down in the comment section your favorite way to layer your winter outfits. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already for new videos, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss those new videos, and comment down below when you have done that so I can give you a post notification shout out in one of my videos. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.